everybody. Right, what's happening today? Okay, it's just gone 6. I've got an appointment at 8 o'clock in Phuket, Honda Big Wing. Hi guys, why wouldn't you want to come to Thailand? Huh? Look at this. Awesome. Come visit. She's going for a 54,000 kilometre service, so she's having a bit of a spa day today, and so that's what I'm going to do, and I'll come back to you when we get there, and then we're going to try and go to Coffee Cups, Coffee House on the way back. Okay, see you in Big Wings. And we're here guys, in Big Wings, just got here in time, and we'll have a little walk round to get the bike back. See you in a minute.
Let's go. Right, here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic, mixing the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Let's go.
Okay guys, here we are, Tree Cups, Panga. Here we go. Bike all done, thought I'd come down and have a latte. Let's go and have a look, shall we? Funky chairs made out of tyres. Nice little tiki bar. Cotton cap. Swaddy cup, latte, alone, latte, cotton cup. Quite an impressive view really. That's got to be Panga Bay, where I went up to Samatnam Shi viewpoint along there. Pretty cool. Whoops. Cheers everybody. Nice and hot. Lawn. Got spilt it everywhere. Very nice. Okay guys. Just like to say thanks to 162 subscribers. It's getting slowly but surely. Thanks for all the comments that everybody's put on there, and I've answered them all. And yeah, good conversation actually. And so all of you guys out there in YouTube land, enjoy your day, and don't forget, please subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, please share, and please like. Cheers guys, and don't forget to ring that little bell so you get notified of the new videos. Cheers guys.